Alright, this is your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair. And make sure, if you're working with warranty companies, that you get your insurance in ahead of time. You know, a lot of times you got to go send them through third parties like Plus One Solutions. Man, make sure you get all that paperwork turned in first before your insurance actually expires. Now, then you will have lapse coverage. You'll get locked out of your dashboards for your warranty companies. It's happened to me before, and the reason I thought about it again because my mentor had something similar happen, and I wanted to make sure that I made a video. This is one of the #1 tips that you can have, especially if you've been in business a year or so, and then you're up to renew your insurance. Man, make sure that you get your insurance renewed and started before the due date, preferably 2 weeks before the due date. Get that sent off in and make sure that everything is good to go so that they can work out any kinks or any paperwork that needs to be done so that you are not shut out and your calls don't get stopped. Guys, this is very, very important.